smoke, dog. Bitch. My nigga no talk. Never leave the place without your gun. Evil lurk in the streets, and when it's dark, you never know when the nigga creeps. Niggas eat pistols every day of the week. I stay close to mine, motherfuckers.
I pull up with a stick up, cause niggas got me to mix up. They know that I keep the blick up for any nigga that's trying to get tough.
Oh, this nigga looking for me. He don't want no smoke, cause I be toting that heat.
Even when I'm asleep, I keep it close to me, cause these niggas is weird and they hoes to me. That's why I don't let no nigga get too close to me, cause these niggas act more like bitches than hoes to me. And they want the problems, then I'm catching first degree. Into the clip and send his ass home for free. He didn't know that he was fucking with a demon. He's really about to unleash him, but he's more like the Reaper. Don't hide, cause he still sees you.
You a bitch nigga, snitch nigga, better not cross the line, nigga, capable of fine. Follow me now when I reach my 9. Midwest, we break spines on them niggas that's dropping die. Got your gadget, tapping my line, I relocate to back to my grind. Bust that K9, silence and shot him in the head. Don't give a fuck what you are if you connected with the Fed. We break bread on ammunition when it's bloodshed. I got an uncle that's trigger happy, he'll grab the tank up out the shed. You fake head, phony nigga trying to stage, man. Beat you like a caveman, I'm sicker than the wasteland. Forget them riddles, niggas, and everything you talk about goes out to them slinky niggas that's bitter than that sauerkraut. Never leave the place without your gun, evil lurk in the streets. And when it's dark, you never know when the nigga creeps. Niggas eat pistols every day of the week. I stay close to mine, motherfuckers. Never leave without it, nigga. You don't know what these niggas is on these days, you under dig? Niggas don't box no more. They got the scraps.